Welcome back to my channel. If you love creativity, handmade beauty and budget-friendly home decor ideas, then today's video is just for you. In this video, I am sharing a collection of beautiful DIY crafts and home decor pieces that you can easily make at home. This beautiful handmade decor piece shows how simple materials can be transformed into something elegant. The best part about DIY crafts is that you don't need expensive tools, just your imagination. Here we have a stylish and modern decor item that adds charm to any room. Whether you place it on a shelf, table, or wall, it instantly enhances the overall look of your space. You can customize colors and textures according to your theme, making it truly unique. These ideas are perfect for those who can love recycling and eco-friendly projects. These decor pieces are simple yet every eye-catching. Sometimes minimal design creates the biggest impact. Clean shapes, soft colors, and neat finishing can make your handmade craft look professional and aesthetic. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas.